Have you ever picked up a book and wondered about the journey it took before landing in your hands? From the words of an author's mind to a printed masterpiece on your shelf, the creation of a book is nothing short of a modern marvel. It's a story of art, technology, and human dedication. Every book begins its life as a manuscript, a collection of ideas, stories, and knowledge written by an author. Once finalized, the manuscript is formatted by publishers who design the layout, choose fonts, and create stunning cover art. From there, the manuscript enters the production phase inside the publishing factory, where the magic truly begins. The process starts with designing printing plates using advanced computer-to-plate technology. Each page of the book is etched onto aluminum plates that are loaded into massive offset printing machines capable of producing thousands of pages per hour. Ink rollers carefully transfer ink onto these plates, which then press the words onto paper with precision. The freshly printed sheets move to folding machines, where they are folded into signatures, the building blocks of a book, and then trimmed to ensure perfect alignment. Next comes the binding process, where the pages are glued or sewn together and attached to a cover. For hardcover books, this involves sewing the signatures and attaching them to rigid covers for durability and elegance. Meanwhile, covers are printed separately, often enhanced with glossy finishes, embossing, or foil stamping to make them visually appealing. The bound books undergo rigorous quality control, where workers inspect each copy for defects in printing, cutting, or binding. Any flawed books are recycled, ensuring only the best versions reach readers. After passing inspection, books are stacked, wrapped, and packaged for distribution. Pallets of books are loaded onto trucks and shipped to bookstores, warehouses, and online retailers worldwide, ready to inspire readers everywhere. Gap 1S. The history of book printing is a remarkable tale that dates back to ancient times, but it was Johannes Gutenberg's invention of the printing press in the mid-15th century that revolutionized the world. Before Gutenberg, books were painstakingly copied by hand, making them rare and expensive commodities accessible only to the wealthy and the elite. Gutenberg's printing press, with its movable type, changed all that. For the first time, it was possible to produce books quickly, efficiently, and in large quantities. This groundbreaking invention democratized knowledge, allowing ideas and information to spread rapidly across Europe and eventually the world. Gap 1S. Digital technology has revolutionized book publishing. Ebooks and audiobooks offer convenience and accessibility. Readers can carry entire libraries in their pockets. Instant purchases and downloads make discovering new books easy. Audiobooks provide a hands-free way to enjoy literature. Whether commuting, exercising, or relaxing, audiobooks bring stories to life. Gap 3S. The environmental impact of book production is a growing concern. From paper manufacturing to printing and distribution, book production has significant ecological implications. Traditional book production relies heavily on natural resources and involves energy-intensive processes. The publishing industry is adopting sustainable practices to minimize its environmental footprint. Using recycled paper and responsibly sourced materials is a key step towards sustainability. Gap 3S. The future of books is bright and full of possibilities. As we continue to innovate and adapt, we ensure that the magic of books remains a vital part of our lives, inspiring and connecting us in new and meaningful ways. The journey of a book from an idea to a finished product is a testament to creativity, technology, and dedication. It's a process that combines art and science to bring stories, knowledge, and inspiration to people around the globe. Books are more than just words on pages. They're windows to other worlds, created through incredible craftsmanship and technology. The next time you pick up a book, take a moment to appreciate the fascinating journey it took to get into your hands.